and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making a BCS Frittata. Let's get started. First, we're going to cook the bacon and then cut the apples. Hold up. Put only like 3 strips of bacon. Now my dad is going to cut the apples. You only need a half of an apple. So we removed the bacon. Now we're going to saute the apples and the garlic. Just put the apples and then put the garlic. Let's stir. Is this how you stir?
That's fine.
Now we're going to chop the bacon. Now we're going to remove the apples. Now we're gonna wilt the spinach. My bad.
That's good.
And now we're gonna add some salt. Now we're going to crack a few eggs. I already cracked 2 eggs. Now my dad is going to do 2 eggs.
All right, put it in there. Hold it. Hey, you got shell in here.
Sorry, Dad.
Okay, well, I'll get that out of there.
So here's the wilted spinach. Now we're going to dump the bacon and the apples.
Get everything out of there. There you go. That's good.
Now we're going to dump in the parmesan cheese. And then
Wait. Put the egg batter in. Move that around. There you go. That evenly distributed. There you go. All right, here. Now put the egg batter in there.
Yep. Egg batter.
Dump it. Hurry up.
Here you go. Oh my God, that's a lot. That's a lot of egg batter.
Now you gotta move that around a little bit. Take it under there. I get the feta.
Now let's get the feta cheese.
Sprinkle it around.
Oh. Okay.
Feta cheese. Good job, buddy.
I really like with the bacon and the apples in it.
Yeah.
I really want to try to and see what it tastes like.
Yeah. There we go. So there's your feta. Now we gotta get it in the oven.
Now we put it in the oven for 8 minutes. There we go. Minutes. So here's our bacon, cheese, and spinach frittata. Now I'm ready to eat. So leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!